This is the chicken and the egg situation. What came first? Reading, writing, spelling, or reading? Generally speaking, if you can spell a word, you will be able to read it because you have it in permanent memory and you have a correct visual image. Now, as far as having an orientation preference is concerned, please go to www.abcstan.co.uk and you'll get some more information on that. Here we're going to deal purely with spellings. If you look at the top word, toot, they're in red letters and it is totally palindromic. That is to say that you can scan the word either from left to right or right to left and you are capturing a correct visual image. All the letters that are in red are palindromic. The letters that are in blue are not palindromic and you will have to take particular care with those when you reproduce them. Now this word is assessment. I picked this word especially because within assessment there is a palindromic block of words, and as you can see, A-S-S-E-S-S. Now the S-S-E-S-S is palindromic in itself. That section of the word can be scanned in either direction and it will be visually correct. So basically, to put assessment into permanent memory, all you have to do is remember the palindromic section, put the hyphens in, and then remember MENT at the end. Because it is running from right to left, you are capturing a correct visual image, and that will help you to remember the word. So, start with toot, then go to assessment. If you have a problem with dexterity, just draw the letters in the air in front of you. It takes 21 days to break a habit, and it takes 21 days to form a new habit. And this is known as Pavlovian conditioning. So to break Pavlovian conditioning, you need to allow 21 days. Once you put this word to memory and you can recall it from memory, you will have proved to yourself that you are scanning from right to left. That is the only way that you will be able to retain this to memory, is if you are a right to left scanner. Good luck. Do it, look at it, reproduce it, and then in an unguarded moment when you're somewhere else, just get a blank piece of paper and try and reproduce it from right to left. Remember the palindromic section. Thank you.